insight into my get ready routine in the morning. So today I washed my hair. That happens about every 3 days usually I wash my hair. I know you probably think I'm nuts, but it's good to not wash your hair every single day. My sister's a hairdresser and she's taught me that. So today I washed my hair though. I'm going to blow dry it. So I'm gonna do like a rapid video of me blow drying my hair, and then I will show you my quick makeup get ready routine. Welcome to our page. If you like this video, make sure that you hit that little subscribe button. Basically what happens when you are blow drying your hair is the hot air is going to dry your hair, and then either you can use the cool setting, which is like usually a little blue button on your blow dryer, and that will set your hair. So you kind of always want to do that if you're trying to get that big like voluminous look. You want to use the heat to dry your hair and then hit it with the cool to set it. So I can either, a lot of times I will just put these brushes in my hair like this and get the parts that I like want to be more volume. So you want to hit the ones that are on top. I could get a couple more brushes and have my whole head in brushes. It would really only take probably like 1 or 2 more brushes. But this is kind of, you know, I will take a water-based cleanser to just cleanse my face. I really like the water-based cleansers. I have the L'Oreal right now, cleansing water. That's what I'm using to cleanse my face. You want to just make sure that your face is nice and clean. There. I use 2 squirts of it. Make sure that you moisturize your neck too. It's driving me crazy right here. So you see, there's my full hair. I can take these out now. So there's that, and I'm gonna go over it with a flat iron, but you can see how much volume it gives my hair to do that. These brushes I ordered online somewhere. If you want to know, I'll have to ask my sister because she got them for me. So, but there's that. So, and I will flat iron my hair a little bit, so I'm not gonna like leave. I know this is like a little trick of mine. I always use a self-tanner on my face. I like a self-tanning foam because it's really light. So I use this self-tanning mousse. There's a lot of them out there. Start your makeup routine with some primer. Smashbox is my fave. Makes your makeup look super smooth. All right, now I use the Nars Foundation. I love it. I've been using this one for a little while now. Also like Makeup Forever, also like Artistry, Tarte, Shape Tape, best concealer ever, ever, ever. I love it. I've tried lots of different concealers. Y'all, this is my fave. So I start here under my eyes, and then I take it on my nose in an upside down triangle shape on my forehead, and then down on my chin. I go back up to my eyes and form an upside down triangle underneath my eyes, which is the best shape that you should have for your concealer. Chubby stick, Clinique Chubby stick for my contour. Y'all, this is almost out right now, like legit. But you know what? This is real life. Sometimes we run out of our products and we have to just make do. I'm not a makeup artist here. I'm just a mom trying to put my makeup on. So I'm gonna start by putting this under my cheekbones, then on the sides of my nose, and then all around the top of my face and the bottom of my face, and then I will get a beauty blender to blend all of this together. I like to use a wet beauty blender to gently tap all over my face and get everything blended so it looks seamless. After that, next up, Dermablend loose setting powder. Best stuff. This is so light and just makes your makeup look. So I start with this powder and put it underneath my eyes, on my chin, and on my nose, the areas that I've highlighted, and then I take my beauty blender and blend it out so everything blush. Now give yourself a little bit of rosiness motives. This is intuitive, this color. Big, important thing when you're doing this, make sure you tap off the excess. Otherwise, you're gonna get a huge clump on your cheek. Kind of do like the apples right there. Use a ton of this product. You will regret it. Less is more with this. Push it around. You can always go back for more. You can always go back for more. If you're not comfortable with the dip brow, you can always get a brow pencil. It's much easier to use and something I definitely recommend. Woo! There he is! Say, I'm so handsome.
I'm so handsome.
Say, I don't even need makeup, Mommy.
Mommy, I don't need
Are you fixing my hair for me?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, let me see. How do I look?
Pretty.
Oh, give me kisses. Oh, just a cheek? Oh. Whoa. No.
Bring me up with my makeup.
Okay. There he is, putting his makeup on. Do you look handsome now?
Yeah, I do look handsome.
Oh, good. So now I just run over my hair with the straightener and voila, I'm done. And that's it. This is my quick get ready routine. This whole thing, hair dry, makeup routine, took me 20 minutes to do.